Welcome to MedicoApps PDS Express. In today's class, we'll be seeing this interesting question which was asked in the year 2024. Question was, according to trans-theoretical model, chronic smoker who was reluctant to quit smoking comes in which category? Options given were A. Contemplation, B. Pre-contemplation, option C. Maintenance, and option D. Action. Hello everyone. So are you a NEET MDS aspirant and you are struggling to find all previous year authentic question? What if I tell you that you will get everything in just one book? My book is out on Amazon and Flipkart. Just check the video for description. It contains all the solutions along with the reason to rule out for your convenience. Get your hands on it today itself and take a significant step towards your success. Now, according to the trans-theoretical model of behavior change, a chronic smoker who is reluctant to quit smoking falls under pre-contemplation. In this stage, the patient, he does not know anything, he is not aware of any change, he does not feel that anything is going bad around him or inside the body. So he is totally reluctant. He is not thinking in terms of quitting the smoking or whatever habit he is having. See, for example, alcoholism or any, you can say, habit associated with this patient. So he is least bothered. The stage is pre-contemplation. But there will be time when this patient will get conscious about the habit. Say, for example, in case of smoking, he might be getting cough, he might be getting dyspnea, or you can say respiratory problems would be there, other issues would be there. So he is getting curious about that and he want to quit smoking. He is thinking in terms of that. So that is contemplation. Okay, and he is thinking that I will leave it by next year or by next you can say 6 to 8 months, whatever it will be, or I'll decrease the frequency. That is the contemplation. Determination. Now the patient is determined that I have to leave smoking, I have to leave alcohol and all those things. So that is the determination. Now comes the action state where he has left the habit and now he is living a normal life, trying to live a normal life. In few cases, relapse would happen. Otherwise, it will be in the maintenance phase. So this is the complete trans-theoretical model of behavior change, right? So coming back to the question, the correct answer is pre-contemplation. I hope I have cleared all the other options as well. Thank you.